All right, here we are, day one of cleanup. Hubby's gonna be removing the big old tree at the goat barn.
We'll try. A lot of cutting to do.
It's crossed over the driveway, so I'm gonna set the camera up so we can do a time lapse and try to get this out of our driveway so we can get through and fix the goat pen. We can now get in and out of our driveway. Ta-da! Amazing. So we still have some more work yet to do. We'll have, you know, a little more left to cut here and a little bit over here. And of course I'm moving all the wood piles where they will need to be in the brush piles. But this way we can get in and out of our driveway. Here you guys go. Here you go, more leaves. They all want the leaves off the tree. Now they can then connect our wire when the electric company comes, because they cut it back at the pole that I showed you and rolled it up here and shut off the transformers. But they'll be able to get through now to come up here and put in the new post, connect to the wire, and hopefully we'll have electricity again. So hubby's home. He's gonna go cut some more on the tree that took out the power. It'll always have a special spot in my heart, taking out our power. Thankfully, we do have, our power has been restored. See our beautiful line? New pole. A little bit of normalcy is back in our life again. A little air conditioning because today's a little warmer than it has been. So now he's gonna come up here and cut some more so then I can haul off more of the branches to my pile. So stay tuned.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all.
Alright, so we actually have our friends Josh and Heather here helping us do some cleanup. Big shout out to them and a big thank you for coming and giving us a hand. We greatly appreciate it. We are working now on cleaning up over by the side of the garage and where the ice houses are. We got the big tree by the goats done, so slowly but surely we'll get things cleaned up and get our yard back at least, and hopefully fix the cow fence. So stay tuned.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough.
I think that's where we're going to end that video. We were able to finish getting the tree over by the goats done up. A couple of our friends came over to give us a hand, which we greatly appreciate it. A big shout out to Josh and Heather for their help. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. We also got the tree over by ice houses done up too. That's a lot, but we got it done. Slowly but surely we'll get everything done. Coming over here to check on the little quail and get them put away for the evening. Tomorrow we will be pulling the card out of the trail cam and checking to see if we have any pictures to see if we can avenge Larry. Get his little predator or whatever it might be. If you like this video, click that like button. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell to get all the notifications when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.